Stan, how is it going?
I'm going well.
Always
thanks.
good by the Bigton Park. Interesting stuff. Good to see you.
We're watching now is basically shed removal service, which is one of the very popular our services at Snappy.
Why did you got the name Snappy?
Snappy because we do the jobs like snap your fingers. Same day rubbish removal, same day
Let's see how many times I had to snap my
removal.
fingers to get the job.
What's happening right now, Snappy is doing shed removal and some part of gardening services in the house. What we just did, we removed the shed. Here, that's the wood left from the shed, and then we're gonna cut some of the bushes so we can install the new panels which are over there, fence panels.
Snappy will do the fence as well.
Yes, Snappy is gonna replace the fence panels.
What do you call that job? I mean, if I'm because I didn't know.
It's part of the gardening.
Yeah,
it's just fence panels changing, removing the old ones, change with the new ones. We even provide a service to buy the new panels for the customers. They don't need to go and buy the new panels that we include in the service. We're gonna change these panels over there today, and then we're gonna change
That's the
the
thing.
other
Let's see. I'm excited to see.
day.
Actually, even in my Essex house, Snappy did a garage clearance and nicely taking off the stuff. So
Yeah, that's right.
I know. All in one, you know, you can get the garden done, fence removed, and the best part is even the fence to be done.
Yes.
If I had to bring somebody else to do the fence, it would have been a different charge.
Every service here is going to be additional charge, and because you're going to book another company, for example, they're going to charge you like full service, because nobody will come for £100 just to change your panels. You know, they have minimum like 250 pounds for every service separated.
It's turning out to be good. Already 2 fences are there, so I think the entire garden is going to look good.
I hope you're happy.
I'm definitely being happy now.